morning, everybody. Today is April 5th. It is a Wednesday. Whoops. And I have a couple updates for you guys. Yeah. So you'll be seeing this like a week late, but yeah. I've gotten my x-ray results back, and of course they were normal, so back to square one on that, but whatever. In other good news, I managed to get my cardiologist appointment bumped up to today. The only downside about it is that we are in the middle of a snowstorm right now, and I have to travel about an hour and a half to get to this appointment. So I am going with a lot of prayer behind me and going before me, and hopefully we will make it to the city all right today so that I can go to my cardiologist appointment. This is so important to me. To get an appointment bumped up is near impossible, and I said that no matter what, I don't care if we have to crawl all the way to the city, we are making it there today. Yeah, and I'm just praying that we make it there safely, and that at the end of this vlog, I will get to tell you, hopefully, some answers to my situation. Let's do this. So for lunch, this is what I'm packing: a rice cake, some guac, a protein bar, and applesauce, and a fruit snack. And then I packed my brother a fruit snack because he's driving. Yeah. My stomach has not been doing well at all. I've pretty much had to completely scrap any ideas of eating supper. Unless it's like a smoothie or frozen ice dessert thing. I don't know. Yeah, it's been really difficult. I'm gonna fill my water, and then I'm gonna wait to be picked up. Okay, you guys, we made it home. Oh boy, that was quite the ordeal, and I knew it was gonna be. Some of the roads ended up getting closed halfway through, but it was kind of silly that they closed them because they weren't even some of the worst roads. So I am back from my cardiologist appointment, and I finally have some answers. I finally have an official diagnosis of POTS. So I'm not crazy when I'm on here and I'm making comments like I feel potsy or whatever. I actually have POTS. And so I shouldn't be excited about that, but for a lot of you that do know me and know my story, you know that I've been waiting for some answers for a very long time. And specifically in this area, it is really hard to get an EDS diagnosis because none of the geneticists will see you if you have a possibility of HEDS because they think it's pointless to see you because they can't even like run any genetic testing on you, which I think is dumb, but whatever. Kind of my goal is to piece this diagnosis together one little piece at a time, because I know that POTS often falls under EDS, and now I just have to wait to get in to see the GI. But you guys, this doctor was so amazing. It made the whole trip worth it. He was so nice, and he ran like the poor man's tilt table test on me, and it confirmed that I had POTS because my resting heart rate was 86 and my standing heart rate was 148 at 1 minute, 136 at 2 minutes, and 122 at 3 minutes. And so he confirmed that I have POTS. And he has prescribed me, I think it's called Midodrine, to try to regulate my symptoms. And other than that, lots of water and lots of salt, and compression socks, except he wants the waist high ones, so they're more like compression pants. So we'll see if I even try that. But after driving in a snowstorm, my eyes are so tired. I wasn't even driving, thank you to my wonderful brother who graciously drove for me. But trying to like see out the window, like lots of squinting and straining, and I'm just gonna rest now. This is Nikki of the future realizing I didn't do an outro, and so I'm gonna do it now. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It lets me know that you enjoy my content. If you are interested in my journey, then please subscribe to follow my adventure. Bye!